Quick video today. Any glass tube, if you see white in the tube like that there, white powdery, I don't know if the camera's getting a good picture, but if you see white like that, the tube has lost its vacuum. It's no good. No need to test it. No need to try it. Just throw it away. It's gone. It's done. And this is same tube number, a good tube, or at least one that has not lost its vacuum. It's got a shot. It's got a chance. So again, good tube. And then when you see white like that, bad tube, lost its vacuum. It's done. It's cooked. It's done for. Often you get the white powder in there also. It's got air in there, and the air is contaminated. The circuitry and all that. Don't plug it in. Don't use it. It's cooked. Okay, that's it for this video.